Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Thus the demigods saw the wonderfully beautiful region known as Alaka in the forest known as Saugandika, which means full of fragrance. The forest is known as Saugandika because of its abundance of lotus flowers. Sometimes Alaka is known as Alaka Puri, which is also the name of the abode of Kuva. Kuva's abode, however, cannot be seen from Kailas. Therefore the region of Alaka referred to here is different from the Alaka Puri of Kuva. According to Vairaraghava Acharya, Alaka means uncommonly beautiful. In the region of Alaka, the demigods saw there is a type of lotus flower known as Saugandika that distributes an especially fragrant scent.